Welcome to Hard Reset Info Channel, dear viewers. In front of me Samsung Galaxy A05s, and I'm gonna show you how to make this device faster. So firstly, to make this device faster, we need to open settings and scroll down, find here in the settings battery and device care, and here find storage. And click settings to allow everything in permissions. You need to allow access to the photo and video. Click confirm, go back again, and cool. And now you can check how many space you have used. If you have used over the 70% full, so it's maybe here point. You need to free up the space on the device, because any device that have internal storage filled over the 70% is starting to slowing down. Next aspect is the RAM. So try to open settings, find battery and device care again, find memory here. And here you will see the RAM Plus feature. I suggest to enable 4 GB RAM Plus. In this way your system will use one small part of internal storage to boost your internal memory. And in this way you will be able to improve system stability and performance. And the last aspect is, of course, trash files and virus files. So open device protection, turn it on, and you can from time to time scan your phone from viruses. I have a new phone, so I have nothing to clean, and that's it. And of course, from time to time you just need to check, does it have any unused applications, and if you have applications you are not using, for example Microsoft OneNote, you just need to disable it or uninstall. So click uninstall and click OK. Cool. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.